I really like the fact that Perplexity have launched their API. Now, this is something that I worked on an app to try and get Perplexity, because people say it's dead, but like Perplexity for me is one of the only AI with like a true IP. It's got really good, like it's got this layer on top of search, which is by far and away better. OpenAI just leveraged Google search. When you used to use Perplexity, you could enable it to do web search, but it wasn't quite using the same system. I don't know the ins and outs of it, but literally today they've launched Perplexity API, Perplexity Search API, so you can leverage all the goodness that comes from Perplexity in your apps. So that's pretty cool. Quite expensive though. It's like $5 per 1,000 requests.
Okay, that's quite expensive.
Yeah. Bearing in mind, we've got 1 million tokens here. I mean, tokens get used up very quickly, but yeah. And what I don't know is because you can obviously have multiple sources, right? Perplexity goes off and gets multiple sources. Is that classed as one request, or is it per source that's, whatever? I'm not too sure about that. So yeah, that's TBC, but pretty cool. I'm excited to tell my friend about that because he's trying to use it in his app. This is part of a larger conversation on my show, Cmd+AI, which we stream live every single week. We discuss the news and all things related to AI in the world of design and web. Catch us next week and join in the banter.